welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna build my Lakers Air Jordan shoes right here. This big one I'm gonna build, and then these are the tiny ones, just to show you. So I'm gonna build this one today, and then we'll see if I can build it in less than 5 minutes, and you're gonna find out for me. Before we start, if you're new here, please make sure you're subscribed so you're gonna get alert for all the amazing videos. And if you've been here, thank you so much for returning. And if you enjoy my video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and share with your friends. Alright, so let's get started. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. So this is what I'm gonna build today, and then I'm using like the big beads. So let's get started. Okay, so how I'm gonna start? Okay, so I'm gonna use this one like a centerpiece, and then with all these, oh, I said I'm not gonna talk. Okay, let's see. So I want to see how long does it take to build this. I want to see maybe like 5 minutes. Let's see. Okay, I'm counting the clock. Okay, let's see if I can build this in 5 minutes. Hello everyone here. Sorry, I have to be concentrating, so okay. So far so good. So now you can see I have the base already. Yes, I have to be really focused, because once I messed up, then I need to take it apart and keep going. So did I mess up again? No, I didn't. Like, I built this so many times, but I do still messed up. I don't know why. Looking like yes, I don't use glue because all my 3D pieces I used in the past. Yeah, I try not to use hot glue because I'm not good at it, and the piece is always falling off. So unless I have no clue how to do it, otherwise I stick it with, try to have no glue. So looks like so far so good. And then what's next? Here. Now I'm on to building the back part. So it's kind of in my head already because I built so many times, but still I messed up a lot. Yeah. Hello. Okay. Looks so good now. Alright, so whew, sweating. Let's keep going. I have more confidence now. I was trying to beat the clock for 5 minutes, but I guess I'm running low in time. And then what do? Oh, okay. Building the side now. Now on to building the side. Maybe it takes about 7 minutes. I don't know why, but I always count myself when doing everything, kind of like stressing myself out. Okay. Right now it looks easy, but a lot of time I make mistake on my pieces, so I need to fix them. But today so far so good. Closing out the holes. Wish me good luck. I love it because it's like a puzzle. Thank you so much. Hello. Still beating up the clock. I think I passed 5 minutes already. But I think I'm almost done, as you can see. All right. How's everyone doing? Yes, greetings. Boop. Okay. So, looks like I'm finishing. Adding back the top. So I started at 11:14, so it took me 7 minutes. So I kind of messed up a little bit, but so far this is perfect. So comparing the size, these are the tiny ones, and then this is the big ones. So I love the little ones because they're so cute. I can just carry like this. But then the big ones just look really good with the pictures. Alright, so if you guys have any questions, let me know. But greeting for everybody, and hopefully I will see you next time, and have a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.